Hey guys, it's Adam from Cursive. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the CursiveTypeID extension up and running on your computer. A quick note before we get started, however, the CursiveTypeID extension only works on Chromium-based browsers. Let's get started. So first, we're going to navigate to the web store. Once we're there, let's search up CursiveTypeID. Click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Once this is done, the onboarding page will pop up. Press Get Started. For easier access, we recommend pinning the extension. You can do so by pressing the puzzle piece at the top right, then the pin icon next to the extension. Next, select your role. I'm a student, so I'll select this one. Simply answer the next question, then this will pop up. The desktop app is part of our paid offerings and really upgrades CursiveTypeID's capabilities. However, the browser extension still works great without it, so this time I'll press Do It Later. Then you're done. CursiveTypeID extension is set up and running in your browser. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out or leave them in the comments below. See you next time.